Today I'm going to be reviewing Sattiyrch's Christmas tree storage bag. Fits up to a 7.5 foot tall artificial tree. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So this is what it looks like. You got the wheels on there. That area right there is solid. The rest of it is just like a regular bag. And I'm going to put my tree in there. Fits perfectly. The total bag dimensions are 45 inches by 15 by 20. It's got dual zippers on it. And I really had no issue putting the tree in. Now, every tree like this, there's going to be an end where it like sticks into the other part of the tree. It's going to be more solid. That is what you're going to want to point towards that right side because it does have a reinforced area in there and it's not going to poke through. Although I will say that the bag itself is heavy duty 600D canvas. Also a really nice feature, the wheels on there. So once you get this in there, you can easily roll it around, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Just pull out all the pieces. It really is a big bag. This is the stand that also fits in there. I could have fit a bunch of other things in there too if you wanted lights or anything like that. But once it's all opened up, it zips up really easily and no issues. This does really well on Amazon. It gets 4.5 stars. It's got over 3,190 reviews, and last month 100 plus of these were bought. I'm assuming this month is going to be even greater than that. They also have a 6-foot bag, 7.5, and a 9-foot bag. It's easy to lift up. It's easy to roll. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.